Guns and drugs in Indiana. Getting arrested for a simple offense is stressful enough, but getting arrested with both guns and drugs is very, very serious. So the Indiana Code lays out specific circumstances where a criminal offense can be enhanced to an even higher charge. So the Indiana Code for the possession of a controlled substance or the possession of some type of drug with possession of a firearm could enhance it to a higher level felony. Now, whether you're legally allowed to possess a firearm or not is actually irrelevant to a enhancement charge. Say you get arrested for possession of an illegal substance, like it be cocaine, methamphetamine, or any other illegal substance. If you're in possession of a firearm at the time you were arrested, here's what you could be charged with. For example, if you were found with possession of methamphetamine between 5 and 10 grams, that starts off at a level 6 felony under the Indiana Code. Level 6 felony carries anywhere from 6 months to 2.5 years imprisonment, a fine of up to $10,000. However, if you're charged with possession of methamphetamine with a firearm, that enhances the level 6 felony to a level 5 felony. Under a level 5 felony, that carries a minimum of 1 year to a maximum of 6 years incarceration, and again, a fine of up to $10,000. So just having a firearm increases the potential penalty that you could have had from a misdemeanor, a level 6, all the way up to a level 5, or in some cases even higher. Now, here's a scenario. Imagine if someone goes into a friend's house and they bring a small bag of cocaine. And let's say that the friend had a gun in their bedroom and the person that brought the cocaine and their friend, they're in the bedroom together. Let's say there's a knock at the door. Police are there to serve a valid search warrant on the house. They search the house, and when they search the house and the person, they find that bag of cocaine, and they also find the friend's gun in the bedroom. So since the person that brought that cocaine was in that bedroom, they could be charged with the possession of cocaine as a level 6 felony if we assume the cocaine is between 5 and 10 grams. But they could also be charged with a level 5 felony because even though the gun wasn't physically on the person who had the cocaine, possession can come 2 different ways. There can be actual possession, and that's where you actually have something on you. And then there can also be constructive possession, which is a little bit more complicated. That's where you could, as an individual, have the capability of maintaining dominion, control over that illegal item. So say the person with that baggie of cocaine made an incriminating statement to the police that the gun they found was his, or they tried to flee when the police found the gun, or they tried to cover the gun with a pillow. These are all certain examples that the state could use to prove that the person had constructive possession of the firearm and of those drugs. So if you have any questions about gun and drug possession, please call the Marc Lopez Law Firm at 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.